Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, turn off your Conga 5090 and unplug it from the charging dock. This is crucial for your safety during the battery replacement process. Next, locate the battery compartment on the underside of the device. You will see several screws securing the cover. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a safe location to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the battery cover off. You may need to use the flathead screwdriver to pry it open if it's stuck. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors during this step. Now, you will see the battery. Disconnect the battery connector by gently pulling it away from the socket. If the connector is tight, wiggle it slightly to loosen it. After disconnecting, remove the old battery from the compartment. Take a moment to clean the inside of the compartment with a soft cloth to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated. Before installing the new battery, ensure it is compatible with your Conga 5090. Place the new battery into the compartment, ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect the battery connector by pushing it firmly into the socket until you hear a click. With the new battery in place, it's time to reattach the battery cover. Align it properly and press down gently until it clicks into place. Now, take your Phillips screwdriver and replace the screws you removed earlier, securing the cover tightly. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your device. Once the screws are in place, give the device a quick wipe down to remove any fingerprints or smudges. Finally, plug your Conga 5090 back into the charging dock and turn it on. Allow it to charge fully before using it again. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out for a professional diagnosis without obligation. We can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the battery in your Conga 5090. Regular maintenance like this can extend the life of your device and keep it running efficiently. Remember, no calls, no travel. We're here to help you with all your robotic vacuum needs. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.